If your camper fridge is not functioning properly, there are several potential reasons for this issue. Firstly, it may not be connected to a power source, or the temperature settings may not be set correctly. Additionally, the presence of dust and debris on the condenser coils can cause problems, and damaged door seals can allow cool air to escape. Obstructed vents can also hinder proper ventilation, leading to malfunctions. To troubleshoot these issues, ensure the fridge is properly connected to a power source and verify that the temperature settings are correct, making adjustments as needed. Regularly cleaning the condenser coils to remove dust and debris is also essential. Inspecting and replacing faulty door seals can help prevent cool air from escaping, and clearing any obstructions around the fridge will allow for proper ventilation. By addressing these potential issues, you can identify and resolve the problem with your camper fridge.